homage, meaning special honor and respect shown publicly. If they don't like you, I like you, and I believe several people like you. Chameleone. We know people have different lifestyle. Maybe because you've been concentrating on your career, the pressure of the career overweight the family responsibility. That is pathetic. It made you to lose your wife, claims of gender-based violence. You ended up alcohol addict. And maybe sometimes the person is the one that made you join politics. And the politics now brought a lot of problems. Joining NRM. I say it brought a lot of problems because the Central Uganda, clear, they are not supporting NRM. And so strongly they're against the NRM. We used to think it was only, they used to despise some northern politicians, who northern key figures, like Jacob Lanya, may his soul rest in peace, very, very important person to Acholi. When Jacob Lanya was sick, they started saying, no way, you can't spend that money, the government can't spend that budget to go and treat him. There were a lot of delay and here and there. We didn't know Olanya was dying. And that was politically backed because he's an NRM and they're saying they could not fix the healthcare system in the country, so why do they want to rush him? Broad should be treated from within. If he dies, he dies. That's what Central Uganda guys were saying. This is a real truth. There's nothing like segregation, there's no biases. I rather kiss you with the truth. I mean to say, I'd rather slap you with the truth than to kiss you with some sugar-coated lies. No, I'm telling people the truth. And now the same thing we're seeing with Jose Chameleone, but we had seen with several other people earlier. So I used to think that it was just maybe tribalism, but I think it is beyond that. It is a level of keeping grudge to an ignorant level. Just because you don't like a certain party, it doesn't mean that you should go to the extent of, like, if somebody's life is going away, you don't care. Those of Kasile Gwanga passed on, and a lot of people from Central Uganda were laughing. Passed away. You see, many other people passed away, and people were laughing because they're in NRM. Imagine. Now you can see the hate. Several people, some of them even posting videos to laugh at Jose Chameleone. They started by laughing when he was sick. The physical appearance, being lean, being too thin. People laugh, post whatever they want, comments and so on. Damn, man. Heartbreaking to see. From somebody who has real brain. So heartbreaking to see such a kind of emerging nonsense. Some even went ahead now to celebrate that he has passed away. But the guy is alive, and we pray for his quick recovery. Now, one thing you must know, Jose Chameleone, there is no artist in Uganda, and there has never been any artist in Uganda. And it will still be very difficult for an artist within Uganda to be like Jose Chameleone. He's a legend of his own kind, and we need to give that respect. Just because if what you say is a mistake by joining NRM, just because of that mistake, cannot delete all his achievements. No, it's impossible. Jose Chameleone, they're a category who came in a time their music did not segregate. You look at these recent artists, they only think about the business within Kampala. Their market is Kampala. Artists like Eddie Kenzo, I am not afraid to mention that. They say they go for international concerts. No way. It is the Ugandans who are in Dubai, in India, who call them for the concert. Matter of fact, he has not even penetrated East Africa. How can he penetrate with local language? Jose Chameleone was singing Kiswahili and English. And the Kiswahili enabled him to penetrate East Africa and also some parts of Africa. And when you go to other East African countries, he's respected more than any other artist in Uganda. Kipepeo, Badilisha, Jamila. You can imagine the childhood memories of Joseph Kony for those of us who went through it. And some of you call us Kony when we come to Kampala. You should be ashamed. I wish you could know what you think, what you're talking about. Kony is not Acholi. Kony is a rebel group which claims to come from Acholi. Not all in fact, most of the Acholi did not support Kony's war. And that's the major reason for his failure, by the way. If Acholi were to support Joseph Kony's war, the government would not stand a chance. You know what I mean? Acholi did not support. And it's heartbreaking when you go to universities, campus, secondary schools. I remember boxing one person from campus for calling me Joseph Kony. I said, let me show you how Joseph Kony do things. That aside, back to the main topic. Those songs, if you remember, and the guy maintained his reign. Forget about the fake awards. Awards are useless in Africa because they're not authentic. I'm still waiting for someone to bring an authentic award in Africa. Awards are useless. Homage was here for how long? They were only giving him best in Northern Uganda, best. Which artist can beat Homage in hip hop? Since time memorial, since the beginning of the country, nobody. And nobody has even come close to Homage, even when he has already passed away. So, the nonsense of laughing at Jose Chameleone's condition must stop, and must stop on a fair ground. Not every time you should think that you are right. At times you need to accept that you are wrong. I mean, guys, this is Jose Chameleone. This is Jose Chameleone, guys. And you're disrespecting like this. Jose Chameleone, I remember singing a song calling for the return of Joseph Kony. That is when amnesty was declared. Bin Larema Wachika Kuri Wachika. I think the wife maybe taught him some mix of those local language. Guys, respect the legend. He's still active. A matter of fact, even his involvement in politics has been polite and diplomatic. So, for those who are going against Chameleone, laughing at the condition, stay warned. All of us are not here permanently. Our time will come and we will all die. Our time for sickness is available. I wish Jose Chameleone quick recovery. And the strength God should grant the family members strength to endure this tough time. Even the toughness is coming because of how the public, especially from Central Uganda, are talking. It is distressing to the family members. Thank you.